Morning folks, Bruce for Big Plant. Today we're working on an arid bed. It's really easy, I'm going to talk you through it. All you need is a JCB and a car park. Follow me. Actually that's not true. What you do really need is a sunny spot. We're cheating, we're doing this in a polytunnel just so that we can display and push the boundaries a little bit with some more plants. But what you do need is perfect drainage. We haven't got that, we've got clay soil here, it's very wet in winter. So what we've done is we've made a raised bed. Raised beds are great, all you need to do is raise the soil. We've used corrugated metal, we've cut it down, we've got to about 50 centimetres or so high. And in this we've put a great big layer of brick rubble, broken up concrete and such like. That's going to give us great drainage to start with. On top of that we've scraped gravel from the car park. Now that's going to work well for us because we've got lots of it and it's a bit messy. The gravel is mixed in with dust, it's mixed in with a bit of compost and a bit of soil. That will give us fantastic drainage on top of it. So I guess all you need to do really is go to a garden centre and just get some nice gravel. Try not to use the stuff that's come straight from the sea. You don't want it to be too salty, but use something ornamental that suits your taste. Into this bed, I'll move along, we're going to put a selection of plants that like desert conditions, like arid conditions. So there's a mixture of aloes, dasylirians, yuccas, agaves. We've even got a cacti that will tolerate cold. It's a trichocereus. There's a palm here, Camerops humilis cerifera. Nothing particularly rare or very special, but we're going to do a mixture of these key plants. We're pushing the boundaries a little bit with some of the aloes because we've got a polytunnel, so we've got a bit more frost protection. But you can do this outside pretty much anywhere in the UK. Some of the yuccas are incredibly hardy, so as are the dasylirians and as are some of the agaves. So at the moment this is the first phase of planting. What we will do is we'll put some colour in it as well, because I don't want it to be just sort of bland. I like it to change a little bit through the seasons. So we're going to put plants like prostrate rosemary, dead easy to find. That will scamper over some of the edges, soften it a little bit, and a good contrast to the spikiness. We'll also get blue flowers out of that. We're going to put, there's some little tiny lampranthus, delospermums. They're all kind of similar. This is a delospermum, bright purple flowers. That will flower through the summer as well, and that will scamper amongst things. There'll also be Bechynoria, which will add structure in its leaves, but crazy reddish flowers. So that's the beginning of this arid bed. I guess once we've planted it, we'll dress it with some beautiful grit. We're going to use Cornish grit, purely because we go to Cornwall a lot and we bring it back. And that's white and very fine and will look lovely as a contrast against this. So there you are, a very easy to build arid bed. Choose a sunny spot, wind's no problem. You can be coastal, you can be urban, you can be rural. You can even do it on a roof terrace. Replace the rubble by using broken up polystyrene waste packaging, something like that, so the weight isn't too much. Very easy to build, free draining, bright, sunny, arid bed for year-round structure and architectural form. Bye for now, Bruce at Big Plant.